Hello, welcome to Binna Kim Art. Valentine's Day is coming very soon. What I will be making today is quite a small but pretty arrangement with Valentine's Day colors. This is the base I'm using today. I purchased this from Anthropology. As you know, they have great home decor products. It is a small size base, so it will be good to use for cocktail arrangements or tablescape decorations with multiple sizes of arrangements, or simply it is good for yourself at home. Also, Valentine's Day colors like red, dark red, magenta, hot pink, purple, colors will go great with this base. I just wanted to share my thoughts and ideas about this base. I will be making two different styles of arrangements in this base with almost the same flowers and greens. The first one I will be making is a garden style of arrangement. The second style I will be making is simple and traditional style of arrangement. Let's start with taping on the base first. Let me show you how to tape on a base. Normally, you should tape all the way around the rim of the base first and start taping in a grid. What this does is creating a place for tape to be taped. Some containers are not easy to use this clear tape. However, I am using a flat glass base, so I omit this step. I made 3 strips first and applied 2 more strips in a grid. So I tape strips go in one direction and the same amount go in the opposite direction. Lastly, I taped around the rim of the base. Okay, it is done. Easy and inexpensive way of prep the base. Let's start making a garden style of arrangement. I need to be honest with you. There are not going to be a huge dramatic difference between the first and the second arrangement because of the same floral types, the same number of flowers and greenery, and the same containers. I arranged Gardenia leaves first and Viburnum berries with a depth. Turn the container and arrange greens in different heights. I placed peony quite low. I'm reflexing the rose. I explained how to reflex the rose in my previous video. I will add a link right here. I'm taking a petal at a time, folding backward, gently using my thumb and forefinger. Just think of widely opened roses. The outer petals completely open, so we are basically making the same as that. Do it gently, you don't want to hurt the petals. I normally stop opening petals at a certain point. The arrangement looks quite full already with several stems of florals. My love purple Vanda orchid in a water tube is placing in the arrangement. I love using orchids. The 2 white arrows are shown that I made a semicircular shape. Last time I made a Valentine's Day arrangement using a floral foam. It was very lush with multiple depths. Soon I will give a depth to the arrangement using tulips. Wow, the arrangement is looking expensive with the Vanda orchids, peonies, and garden roses. I am adding reflexed tulips to the arrangement, more sticking out than other florals. Don't you think reflexed tulips are big and pretty? Especially the colors in the inner side? So beautiful. I didn't use this reflexing technique often in the past, but after I moved to a new company and I was introduced to this technique, since then I keep reflexing all flowers. I am massaging the tulip stem. Sometimes you notice that some tulip stems are crispy and stiff, especially it just come out from cooler. and they break easily with stiff stems. Gently massage stems with the ball of the thumb, like pushing back stems softly from the middle part of the stems to the flower part. Repeat this a few times, then you will see stems get soft and curved. Keep checking the shape of the arrangement. I can see the arrangement is getting full. I'm arranging asparagus fern as a final touch. I love the leaves. I even have many asparagus plants at home. Check the details. It is done. Let me summarize. Make a semicircular shape with the gardenia leaves, viburnum berries, and big faces of flowers. And then use the in and out technique and give a depth to the arrangement with the reflexed tulips and asparagus leaves. I will make the second arrangement with a simple and traditional style. I'm not using the red tulips with the yellow edge, nor the fern leaves. Add greens first and viburnum berries and peonies. As I keep mentioning in the whole video, I'm making a semicircular shape with florals. I added roses and my love purple Vanda orchid. The arrows are shown the arrangement has a semicircular shape. Tulips. I'm arranging them with similar heights as roses. They're not sticking out much. I'm arranging florals as I keep turning the vase, check the shape, inspect which spots needs to be fixed. Don't you think this arrangement has a simpler shape than the first one? It is almost finished. Please check the details like I'm doing. I am adding a stem of gardenia as a final touch. I want all the Vanda orchid petals shown equally. As you can see, I designed the Vanda orchids as I draw a line from the center to the bottom edge. Lastly, I will share an additional video quickly. I made the arrangement one more time without using tulips. All the building steps are same as the first and the second. I'm sure this would be helpful for you to see. I will compare the first garden style arrangement and the second simple and traditional style of arrangement. The first one looks fuller because it has multiple depth. The second arrangement looks clean and simple. I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you might not see the dramatic difference between these two arrangements because I use the same flowers, greens, and the same container. Let me share with you more arrangements that I made and designed in the past. This is a garden in lush style, and this one is simple and traditional arrangement. This garden style of arrangement has multiple depth, some foliage arranged upward and some wore down. Some flowers looked sticking out, and some were placed very inside. This style of arrangement generally looks dramatic. The simple and traditional style of arrangement have clean, simple, and classic looking. The modern style arrangement is very structural and chic. Surprisingly, this modern floral arrangement requires more skills. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Then see you next time. Bye!